Hey Mindsphere fam, have you ever been told to just eat more fiber when you're stuck? What if I told you that advice might be making things worse? Today, we're diving into the dirty truth about dietary and supplemental fiber and why your gut might be screaming for a different solution. Let's get into it. Okay, let's break it down. Everywhere you look, TV, Instagram, even your grandma, everyone's talking about fiber. They say, fiber fixes everything. But here's the thing, not all fiber is made the same. There's soluble fiber, the gel-like stuff, and insoluble fiber, the roughage. Now, you'd think more fiber would be the solution to your gut issues, right? Well, not always. Imagine adding a bucket of sawdust to a clogged drain. Yikes. That's what happens when you load up on insoluble fiber while your gut is already sluggish. It just makes things worse. Have you ever eaten a fiber bar and felt bloated afterward? That's your gut waving a white flag, begging for relief. Okay, here's where it gets a little shady. Big Fiber doesn't want you to know this, but research from Harvard and other experts has shown that artificial fiber supplements can actually mess with your gut bacteria. Worse, they can bind to minerals like iron and zinc, taking away nutrients that your body desperately needs. Even worse, overloading on fiber can lead to something called SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Imagine harmful bacteria hosting a wild party in your intestines. Absolutely not fun. Are you wondering about the symptoms? Bloating, diarrhea, and the most annoying thing, constipation. Yep, fiber can sometimes make the problem worse for the things it is supposed to fix. So, believe it or not, your toilet might be part of the problem. Guess almost all of us are using modern sitting toilets, right? Actually, they were not exactly designed with human anatomy in mind. To be frank, they are a 17th century French design fail. Your body is built to squat, not lounge like royalty. The truth is, squatting relaxes your muscles, and sitting? It's like trying to squeeze toothpaste from the middle. Absolutely not efficient. And listen, if you're glued to your desk all day, your intestines are basically Netflix and chilling. No exercise, no movement, and thus no gut activity. Also, what if you're on antibiotics? Think of them as nuking your gut's ecosystem. Good bacteria? All gone. And digestion? Totally messed up. Alright, here's the good news. You don't need to rely on fiber pills or powders to get things moving. Try these gut-friendly hacks instead. First, get moving. No need for hardcore workouts. Just a 10-minute walk can wake up your intestines better than any fiber supplement. Seriously, movement is magic for digestion. Second, eat healthy fats. Think of olive oil, avocados, or even a spoonful of coconut oil as natural lubricants for your gut, like engine oil for your digestion. That's smooth and efficient. Third, ditch processed wheat. You love pizza and pasta, don't you? Bad news, they can turn your stool into glue. Yep, you heard that right. Cut back, and your gut will be grateful. And crucially, squat, but don't sit. Propping your feet on a small stool while using the toilet helps align your body for a more natural, effortless experience. It's a game changer. Try it once, and you'll never go back. Last but not the least, feed your gut with the right foods. Add plain, unsweetened yogurt to your breakfast, along with gut-friendly fruits like bananas, apples, avocados, and oranges. They nourish your good bacteria and keep digestion running smoothly. So, have you ever think of why does everyone push fiber so hard? Well, it's pretty simple. Follow the money. The fiber supplement industry is a $7 billion market. Thinking they care if it really works? Nah, they profit in either way. Let's be real. Would they make more cash selling you a one-time fix or a product you'll buy in your lifetime continuously. Look, fiber's not evil. Natural fiber from veggies is awesome. But how about popping processed pills? No way. Your gut deserves better. So, spill the tea. Have you ditched fiber? Did it work? Or are you still stuck? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Next time, we're uncovering another mystery. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy,